Welcome back! My name is Miss Lynette and I'm so happy you're here to join me to learn more about Abacus. Alright, so this time we are going to be talking about the number 5. Let's take a look. Here it says number 5. Color 5 bead on the abacus. Cut the bottom boxes. Remember, the bottom boxes are at the bottom of the page. And cut and paste them on the right boxes. So these are the right boxes. These are the right boxes. These boxes are not wrong. These are the right boxes. Not the left box, but the right box. Okay, so now we remember, right? We remember that there's the 1, 2, 3, 4, but notice we have no more beads at the bottom. So what are we going to do? Well, that's what the top beads are for. The top beads are all about the 5. So if I want to show what 5 is, I got to make it all nice and clear, and I add the 5. That's at the top of the abacus. So at the top of the abacus, it's the 5 bead. So if I do this, that's a 5. If I go here, that's a 5. And if I go here, that's a 5. If I put them all down, these are all 5s. So all of the blue beads, all of the top beads are a 5. So remember our abacus when we draw it out? Notice that this 5 is actually touching the beam right here. So this 5 is the same as this 5 here. So it looks like that. On my abacus, I have my 5 and my picture 5. So I am going to color the frame, and this time I'm going to color it black because it smells like licorice. Right, I like licorice. So here is my frame that I'm coloring it in. Right? Remember, on the frame, there's a beam. This beam is what helps us know what is counted on the abacus. So because the top bead, because the 5 bead is touching this beam, then that is counted. Remember, we have the columns. These columns that are right here, they help us keep the beads all together. Nice package. So this column is the same as this column that's right here. Those little sticks that holds the bead in place. So there is my beam, my frame, and my column. So I'm going to color the 5 bead. This 5 bead, right, is the number 5. So I'm going to color that blue. Ooh, that's a dark blue. So dark, I can't see the 5 anymore. Oh, I can see the 5. Okay, so to spell blue, right? B-L-U-E. Blue. We're not going to color the rest of the beads because those beads are not touching the beam. So that means that we don't need to color them for right now. Okay, so on our worksheet, we have the number 5, right? We have the word 5, and look, we have 5 flowers with 5 petals. How crazy! All right, so we're going to color this, let's say blue again. So we're going to color this blue because I like blue, and it's a very solid blue. This blue is my 5 blue. So, and I F for 5, right? So that's my F, I, V, E. There it is, 5. Okay, now what color am I going to do my flowers? Let's do red. Okay, do you remember to spell red? R-E-D. Red. So I'm going to color my 5 little petals red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whew, I'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a lot of petals. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look. Okay, good. So now we're going to color the inside where the pollen sits. That is going to be yellow. Yellow like banana yellow. But now we could call it pollen yellow. Is that correct? So it's spelled Y-E-L-L-O-W. So I have 5 flowers that I have to color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. It is time to cut. Remember, we have our left, our middle, and our right. With our left, middle, and right, we can place it on the top, middle, or bottom. So I'm going to cut just like that. And then I have my top, middle, and bottom. I've got my 5. Right? With my 5 red flowers. And then I have my word 5, and then I have my number 5. Great. Okay, so I'm going to put my number 5 at the top, and I'm going to put my word 5 at the bottom. And then I'm going to put my flowers, my 5 flowers, right in the middle. Ah, how pretty. That looks really pretty. All right, so that is the number 5. On to number 6. Okay, here it is. Number 6. It says here, number 6, color the 5 bead and the 1 bead. The 1 bead, the 1 bottom bead. On the abacus, cut the bottom boxes, right? We know the bottom boxes, they're over here. And then we were going to paste them to the right boxes. That's over here. The right boxes is top, middle, bottom. And then our bottom boxes is right, middle, left. So the first thing, this time I'm going to make my frame. I'm going to color my frame. Pink. Watermelon, right? So we're going to spell pink. P-I-N-K. And I'm going to color my frame pink. Just like that. All right. So there's my pink frame. That's supposed to be like my abacus. Now don't forget, we have our beam, and then we have our column. So there's my column that holds all my beads. Now we're going to color the top bead. What color are we going to color it? This is the 5, and then we're going to do 6. So that's what 6 looks like on the abacus. Okay? 5, 6. So when we look at it, we want to bring it together at the same time like this. 6. So we have the 5 bead, which is going to be blue, right? Blue. B-L-U-E. All right. And then we're going to have green. Mint. This is mint. So we're going to color this green. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Okay. So there's my 1, and that's my green. Okay. So here is the bottom boxes. The bottom boxes, I'm going to color my number 6, right? There's my number 6. Okay. My word 6. We have S-I-X. So I color my S-I-X. Ooh, look. I see cupcakes. Let's see. What color cupcakes are we going to do? We're going to do chocolate. Chocolate is also brown, right? So we're going to color our little cupcakes brown. And it looks like there's sprinkles. So it's brown. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. So we're going to color our cupcakes brown. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we did that, but then we have these things that hold our cupcakes, and they're called cupcake cups. Cupcake cups. So we're going to color that blue. So this is another blue. Okay, so we're going to color that this blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Time to cut. I got my scissors and I got my paper. I'm going to cut my left 6, my middle 6, and my right cupcakes. And I'm going to clean it up. Let's see. There we go. There. So we have our cupcakes, we have our number 6, and we have our letter, and then we have our word 6. So our word 6, I'm going to put it on top, and then the number 6, I'm going to put it on the bottom. Guess what? I'm going to put our 6 cupcakes right in the middle, just like that. Ta-da! Oh, but you notice this 6, right, is very similar to the 1. The only difference is the 5. Do you see that? So we have our 6, and if we take away this 5, we get 1. That's the pattern, right? So we add the 5, we get 6. We take away the 5, we get 1. It is this one bead that stays the same. Cool? All right, so let's go to number 7. Number 7. We have our 5 bead on top, so I'm going to clear my abacus, and then we're going to do 2 beads on the bottom, and we bring together at the same time, just like that. That is 7. So we have 1 bead on top and then 2 beads on the bottom, which makes it 7. So we're going to color our frame. So here is the frame. There's my frame. And then, oh, I'm going to color it brown. It's a brown color, right? Do you remember how to spell brown? B-R-R-O-W-N. Brown. And then we have our column, which is here and here. And that holds our beads. So we're going to color the 5, the 1, and the yellow. 1 and the 1. So we have our 5, which is blue. So let's color that blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. And then we have green. I'm going to continue using the mint green because it's getting better. So green. G-R-E-E-N. And then our yellow bead. This is our yellow bead. Y-E-L-L-O-W. All right. So then we're going to color our 7 because this is the number 7 we're working on. This time I'm going to use orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. 7. So I'm going to color that in. Color in my orange 7. So this is our word, S-E-V-E-N. 7. Oh, and look, we have hearts. I'm going to make the hearts red because our hearts are red. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Time to cut. All right, we are going to cut. We have left, middle, and then right. We have our left 7, middle word 7, and then our right. Okay, so what are we going to do this time? Okay, so we have our items, and we have our word, and we have our number. So we're going to put the number 7 in the middle, and then we will put our number of items, number of 7 hearts at the top, the red 7 tops, the red 7 hearts on top, and then this is our 7. Red, I forgot to spell red. Red is R-E-D. Okay, so notice it's 1 bead here and 1 bead here. So there's 2 beads on the bottom, right? And that makes 7. Notice if we take away the 5, it is 2. Do you see the similarities? Just like this. So if we take away the 5, it is 2. But if we add the 5, it's 7. Huh, that's really cool, right? Okay, so that is 7. We are done with that one. Number 8. Color the 5 bead and the 3 beads on the abacus. So what 3 beads are we going to be coloring? These are the 3 beads. These 3 beads are touching the beam, right? So when we look on our abacus, we will have our 5 and then 3 beads from the bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's what it would look like. When we make an 8, we do it at the same time, just like that. And that is 8. So we're going to color I'm going to color the frame orange this time. I don't know if I did orange. I don't remember anymore. Okay, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. We're going to color our beam, and then we're going to color our columns. Okay, so now we have our 5, 6, 7, 8. So here is our 8. We color the 1, 5 bead, because there's only one, and it's blue. B-L-U-E. And then we're going to color our green bead, which is green. G-R-E-E-N. 'N. 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 ' Yellow. Yellow is also part of the bottom beads, right? YELLOW. And then we have our orange bead. All of these colors make up 8. Orange is right there. ORANGE. And we're going to color this orange so it matches our frame. Ha! Who would have thunk it? All right, 8. So I'm going to color my 8 blue. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, 8. EIGHT. 8. Okay, so I'm going to color our turtles green and brown because I think their shells are brown. So if I color their little heads like this, right? Those are my turtles. Whew, that's a lot of turtles. What do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 turtles. I think I'm going to go wild and make them pink. I'm going to make their pink shells like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pink shells. That's funny. All right, so we're going to cut left, F, middle, right. So we're going to cut our 8, our word 8, and our 8 items, our 8 turtles. Okay. Whew. Just like that. All right. We have our 8 turtles, our number 8, and our word 8. We're going to put the 8, I'm going to put the word 8 in the middle, and then I'm going to put my turtles 8 at the bottom, and I'm going to put my number 8 at the top. Now, remember, look at the pattern. There are 3 beads on the bottom, and we added the 5 bead to make 8. Just like the number 3. We added the 3 beads on the bottom and we added 5 to make 8. If we didn't want the 5, right, then it would be 3. So on the abacus, it would look like this. Here is 8, and then if I move this, that is 3. Plus 5, minus 5. Add the 5, take away the 5. Take away the 5, and I get 3. Simple, right? Okay. Finally, number 9. Number 9. All right, so on the abacus, this is the easiest one to recognize. How do I know? Because all of the beads are being used. That is 9. Notice there's no bead touching the top and there's no bead touching the bottom. All of this, when you add it together, that is 9. Okay? So we're going to color our abacus. I'm going to make the frame red. R-E-D, red. And we're going to color in the red frame. Just like that. And then the red frame has a red beam. And the red beam has a column. Ooh, let's see. The frame is connected to the beam abacus, and the beam abacus, and the beam is connected to the column beads, and the columns are connected to the beads. I think I got that. Okay, so the frame is connected to the beam, and the beam is connected to the column, and the column is connected to the beads. Ooh, that's funny. Okay, so we're going to color in our beads. We have our top bead, which is 5, and this is going to be blue. Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. And then our green, our bead is going to be green. Oops. G-R-E-E-N. Green. And then we have our yellow, right? So far, this looks like it's 7, but we got to do 9. Do you see that? We have 7, but we got to do 9. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. And then we have orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. So we have 8 here, right? If I put my fingers down, that's 8. But we need 9. Just a little bit more. Just one more. We have to do 9. So that 9 will be red. Okay? So all the colors of the abacus, when it's all clumped together right in the middle, that is 9. Okay, so let's see. We are going to color in black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. We're going to color our 9 black, just like this. And it smells like licorice. Did you know root beer uses licorice? I did not know that. All right, so 9. N-I-N-E. And look, we have 9 balloons, but I don't think I'm going to color it black. I think I just want to color it, I don't know, red? We'll do red here, we'll do red here, and we're going to do red here. I guess we're going to do blue. We'll do blue here, we'll do blue here, and then we'll do blue here. Let's see. Lastly, we're going to do pink. So we have our pink here, our pink here, and our pink here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 balloons. All right, so we know that this is our abacus, right? This is 9. Okay, so we're going to cut left, middle, and right. Left, middle, and right to be able to place it on the top, middle, and bottom. So we have our 9 balloons, our number 9, and our word 9. All right, so we have, my balloons will be on the bottom, my word 9 will be on top, and then my number 6, wait a minute, we're not doing 6, we're doing 9. There we go. 9, if you turn it upside down, is 6, but we're actually looking for 9. So we have to remember that. Okay, so also remember, notice that we have 9. We add the 5. If you look at, when we remove the 5, right, like this will be 4. So if we add the 5, it's 9. If we take away the 5 and it's only this, the 4 bottom beads, that's 4. So on the abacus, it looks like this. This is 9, right? And if we take away the 5, it's 4. If we add the 5, it's 9. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there we go. And then that's it. I hope you enjoyed my worksheet. If you would like this worksheet, the link is in the description. I will see you next time. Bye.